Have you been thinking about legal nurse consulting, but you're kind of scared to take that leap? Maybe you've started looking into it, but you're worried about which program is best. And perhaps you've been watching some of the testimonial videos here on my channel, and a lot of them just seem way too successful and you can't really connect with them. Well, I've got good news for you. Bethany, great friend, wonderful nurse. She's now a successful entrepreneur, but she's just starting out. She's only been in Catalyst for 5 or 6 months. She's already starting to crush it, but she's still scared to market. She's still learning how to be a business owner. So maybe she's someone that feels a lot more like you feel now. She even talks about some of the fears she had when she first got started. She's got a wonderful testimonial case study that I hope you enjoy, and I can't wait to introduce you to Bethany Payne. Bethany, thank you so much for joining me today. I am very excited to talk to you because I think where you are in your journey is a little bit different than some of the people we talk to on these case studies and testimonials, in that you've only been doing this marketing, trying to run your business and subcontract and get attorneys for a handful of weeks. So I'm excited for people to hear where you are, because it might be a little more relatable to where they are and where they want to be. So thank you so much for joining me today and sharing your story.
Absolutely. I'm excited too.
Well, tell us a little bit about your nursing background before legal nursing, and then how'd you end up finding me and Catalyst?
So I started out on a progressive care unit, like a cardiac step down, right out of nursing school. Loved it. I feel like it was such a solid foundation for my nursing career. Um, of course, whenever COVID happened, everything got really crazy. So I
For
became a nurse
sure.
in 2017. 2021, I left my job and I started to travel. And
Mm.
so for the past 5 years, I've been travel nursing to various step down units, neuro, cardiac, and mostly medical the past 5 years. So that's my history in a nutshell.
Awesome. And how'd you end up finding Catalyst, and what got you sort of looking into legal nursing, and how'd you stumble on us?
Yeah, well, I had always thought about legal nursing. Um, Never looked too much into it just because I had heard so many people saying how, it doesn't pay a lot. I had like looked up jobs on Indeed.
Right.
Um, and I just felt really comfortable where I was. But I felt really comfortable until I didn't, until it wasn't working for my family. Traveling was great. I learned a lot, met a lot of really wonderful people, but it just wasn't sustainable for me and my family to continue that. So I really started seriously looking into it. And one day I got on YouTube. And I use YouTube kind of like a learning. I learn a lot of stuff from YouTube. So I was looking at LNC, is it worth it? And I came across some of your testimonial videos, and they were so inspiring. I booked a call the same day.
That's awesome. And now here you are being an inspiration for others. How cool is
Yes,
that?
it's unreal.
It's got to feel a little surreal. Well, so okay, so you took the leap. You saw some testimonials of what other people had done, and you took the chance, which I get it. It's a chance because you don't really know until you get into it. And you're right, there's a lot of people out there in the legal nursing world who aren't super successful because they don't have the right pathway, they don't have the right support. So you took a chance on us, which I'm so grateful. Has it paid off? Have you actually experienced success since you joined Catalyst?
In more ways than one. Not just with my career and doing something that is fulfilling, but in myself. Um,
Mm.
I know once I finished my practice cases and came through, I started marketing, I think the second week of January. And within a week of marketing, I started with business owners within the community. I had 3 cases, like
Wow.
paid cases. Um, Not practice cases. So, it was truly working from home the first week of starting marketing. Um, I actually have a phone call with an attorney right after our phone call this morning. Um, I yeah, lots of good success.
That's amazing because I know there's a ton of people out there either trying to do illegal nursing by themselves or maybe they took another course, and I hear it all the time. They've been struggling for months and months, maybe gotten less cases than you got in your first week of marketing. So let me just say, that is, yes, it's a testament to the pathway we've created. We've poured into this, into the Catalyst pathway to give you every tool you need. But it's a testament to you too, because you're doing the things that we're teaching you to do and you're getting the results of it. So, congratulations to you for your hard work.
Thank you. I truly could not have done it without this, though.
Well, and you're just getting started. That's going to get so much better over this next year. Tell me, what were some of the things before you came into Catalyst? There was probably, I'm guessing, there were probably some barriers, some challenges, some struggles that you were facing that made you want to change. What do you think? What would you say were some of the biggest challenges that you were facing before you became a successful LNC business owner like you are now?
It was being away from my family for those long days.
Mm,
Um, all the politics of the hospital that I'm not crazy of. I love taking care of patients, but it
right.
is so disheartening to see these patients not getting the care they need because of insurance auth. They can't go home with like it was just really getting to me. And I really felt stuck. I had looked into LNC, like I said before, but everything said you had to become licensed and you needed to work 2,000 hours unpaid to do that. And then all the stuff I was seeing, I had joined a couple groups and they're like, I don't have any cases. How do you get started? And it just seemed so far out of reach
Yeah.
until I came across your videos. And that kind of put a whole new light on things. It had never crossed my mind to be an LNC business owner. I had just looked into subcontracting, doing
Sure.
legal nurse consultant work. And this like really ignited an idea. Like it was so inspiring and it opened up a whole new door.
Yeah.
And it made it feasible. Like there's actually a way to do this. There is support
Mm.
out there. There is a pathway and it is possible. Um, and so yeah, that's why.
So so obviously it's worked for you. Obviously you've gone through this. When did you start Catalyst, by the way?
I started the end of August, beginning of September.
Of
Yeah.
25.
Yep.
And now here we are, the beginning first week or so of February. And you said you started marketing like the first week of January. So you've been trying to run your business, market, get cases for about 4 weeks or so now. Is that right?
Yeah, about
Okay.
4 weeks.
And you said you've had three, four cases, something like that?
I actually am getting my fourth case tonight.
Nice.
And
Perfect.
I have two scheduled phone calls with attorneys today, potential clients. I have several warm leads. I have no doubt I'll have my first attorney client very soon.
That's
Um,
awesome. So that, I mean, that's fantastic success. What do you think it is? Because you told me, you were in these groups for legal nursing, you were searching around, you almost didn't do it because it just seemed like a dead end road. Obviously, it's not. You've proven that it's not. But what do you think it is about Catalyst? What's the one or two things that we offer that you think are the real game changers that helped you get where you are, that help hundreds of other nurses actually succeed when there's thousands out there struggling? What makes the difference in Catalyst?
Catalyst is comprehensive. I mean, things that you don't even think about, Catalyst has there for you. Um, we all know how to be a nurse. We don't know how to be a business owner. Catalyst not only teaches you how to put together the product that attorneys are going to love, but there is a support system behind you. If you have any questions, if you run into anything that you're unsure of, you have an entire community of people who have your back. You meet people who connect you with other LNC business owners, And it's actually a really tight-knit group, is what I'm finding out. Like we all have each other's backs. It's wonderful. And not to mention the work product side of it, the entrepreneurial side, the mindset
Mm.
that we focus on within Catalyst. I feel like I'm a different person than I was whenever I joined. Like I told my husband whenever I first joined that I feel like I'm like this is transformative. I feel like I'm becoming a different, better, more confident, capable person. And that's invaluable. So much growth, all from this community. This is what sparked it. And I'm so grateful for it.
I love that. I so love that. That's, that a lot of people, for a lot of people, that's what we're going for. There are people who just want to pick up a side gig or who just want to make a little extra money. But a lot of nurses who come through are looking for true life change. And for you to be like, I feel like a different person than I was in August, man, who gets to experience that much growth and development in just a handful of months? That's amazing. And I love that. And truly, you are a new person. You're not, your whole identity of being a bedside nurse, being a nurse in the hospital is shifting to you being a successful entrepreneur and running
Yeah,
your own successful business. That's pretty amazing.
it's it's definitely amazing. And it's just the beginning. I mean,
Totally.
I yeah, I'm so excited to see what will come because I know nothing but good things are coming.
Yep. So this is my favorite question that I always ask. Apart from the business, now we know, okay, you're making money, you've got some, flexible schedule in your business that you didn't have in the hospital. You're doing a job that you really love. But apart from business, how has all of this life change that you've experienced changed life outside of work and business? How's it changed life with your family or your travel or your alone time? Like what's it done for you?
Randy, I think I'm caught up on laundry for the first time in years. I
That's
mean,
that's a big
literally
plus.
years. Yes, I have been home for dinner with my kids every single night.
Mm.
Um, I feel like even my patience with my kids has grown. I'm just so much happier, more at peace, knowing that I'm running this ship. I work when I want to. If I need to take off to, my son had a doctor's appointment, no issue. Here in the Midwest, actually, I think all half the country had this huge snowstorm.
Right.
I did not have to leave my house one time during it. I did not have to drive in it, worry about getting to work, worrying about staying overnight. I've been here with my family, and it's been wonderful.
That's that is a huge advantage that you've had in your personal life. I mean, you can't replace the time as a mom. You can't replace those years as a wife. You can work a shift anytime, and you probably know this. You leave the hospital, they'll have you replaced next week,
Yeah.
but you can't replace mom and you can't replace wife. So I love that you're taking advantage of this lifestyle change and being there with the ones that matter.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, just like you, when you were watching those YouTube videos a year ago, 6 months ago, you were probably thinking, just like everybody else, how do I know if Catalyst is right? How do I know if legal nursing is right? So if there's somebody right now watching this video and they're considering joining Catalyst, they're considering taking the jump into legal nursing, and they're not sure what the right path is, what would you say to them? What would be your thoughts or advice to them?
If you truly want to transition into this field and be a legal nurse consultant, I don't think that there's any way else to go.
Hmm.
I think join Catalyst. You will have somebody holding your hand through the entire process, an entire community of people dedicated who care about your success as well as their own, guiding you through the entire process. You're truly not alone. You have every resource that you could possibly want. Do it. join it.
I love that. It's scary. You have to take a scary jump sometimes to realize a future that you wouldn't have ever obtained otherwise.
It was even scary. I was so confident in the decision to join Catalyst. Um, I I joined the first day that I called. You book your call. I joined that same day. And then I was so scared. I almost backed out. I really did.
Mm,
I almost backed out. And I reached out to the lady that I spoke with, and she talked me into staying. And I mean, she didn't have to try very hard. I knew I wanted to do this,
right.
but she helped ease my fears. And I am so grateful and thankful for that because I mean, it's the best decision that I've ever made. I mean, in terms of personal growth, my career, this is truly setting me up. This is what I want to do the rest of my life. And
Mm.
this is making it possible. So, yeah,
Well, you've probably
it's
heard me
scary.
say before that if you do the same things you've always done, you're going to keep getting the same things you've always gotten. So if you want a different future, you have to start doing some things different. And boy, did you, what, five,
Yeah.
6 months ago, you started doing something different. Even though you were scared and you almost backed out, you didn't. You pushed through. You learned it. You followed this pathway. And here you are at the start of a new, beautiful career as an entrepreneur. And I'm so proud of you.
Thank you. It's all thanks to you, truly.
Well, thank you, but it's not. It's you with it. Bethany, if people want to learn more about you, your business, or get in touch with you, what's the best place for them to go to learn more about you and your business?
I have a website. It is evermaylnc.com.
Okay, can you spell that for us?
Yeah,
And
EvermayLNC.com.
it's .com. All right, perfect. Well, if anyone's interested in learning more about Bethany, just scoot on over to her website, and I'm sure it's a beautiful website that has lots of good information about her. And Bethany, thank you so much for sharing your heart with us, sharing your journey with us. And I hope it inspires someone out there watching this, just like you, to take that next step to change their future as well.
I do too. Thank you for having me.